Biology Part 50. As we continue talking about, then the bilirubin is converted into bacterial action into stereobilinguinins, a brown pigment which gives facets their characteristic color. This symptom of jaundice is a yellow color of the skin and eyes occur when bilirubin accumulates in the blood. This can be caused by an over-rapid breakdown of the red cells, by liver disease, or by a blockage of the bile ducts. Such blockage results when the cholesterol secreted is in the bile deposited to form and solid particles, or the gallstones which becomes lodged into the bile ducts. Detoxification. Number 3, detoxification. The liver disposes spare hormones, drugs, and many poisons of detoxification. This process usually consists of attaching or conjugating the unwanted substances or another organic group such as glycines, glyceric acid. This group acts as a molecular label, enabling substances to be recognized by the kidney as waste material treated. In other cases, the liver breaks down poisons into the hopeless substances which can be used as metabolism. All these different functions make the liver a very, very versatile organ and easily the most important structure involved in maintaining homeostasis. Interesting that much of this versatility comes from the activities of individual liver cells, while the structure of the organ as a whole is comparatively unrelated. Next, pancreas. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes and its structure is illustrated in the figures. The enzymes producing of the pancreas are grouped together at the ends of the minute ducts where they form structures and called acini. Rather like the bunches of grapes surrounding a hollow core, in the pancreas mammals, the acini are grouped together to form irregular lobules separated from each other by connective tissues. All the various ducts arising from the acini drain eventually to the main pancreatic duct, carrying the mixture of enzymes and other substances called pancreatic juice towards the duodenum. Like the release of bile and secretion of pancreatic juice is stimulated by nervous activity and by the hormones secretin and CCK. The acinar cells produce the various enzymes required, while the cells lining the interconnecting ducts produce sodium hydrogenate carbonate. In man, 0.5 to 0.2 liters of pancreatic juice is released daily. Between pancreatic lobules lie small patches of tissues called islets langrotins. Within the islets, two main groups of cells called A cells and B cells can be alpha cells and beta cells can be identified. The alpha cells produce the hormones glucagon and the beta cells produce the insulin. These hormones are both involved in regulating blood glucose as described earlier. They have opposite actions and their push-pull effects help to hold blood glucose levels steady. The disease diabetes mellitus occurs when too little insulin is produced. The initial symptoms of diabetes are hyperglycemia, that is raised blood glucose level, and is a loss of glucose in the urine. If the condition is untreated, abnormal quantities of salt and water are lost, leading to a dehydration and eventually to a coma and death. A daily injection of insulin obtained from the cows or sheep or synthesized by genetically engineered bacteria can substitute for human insulin, and given this treatment, most diabetes can lead fairly normal lives. This description of liver and pancreas concludes the main account of the alimentary canal and its related structures given in this book, in this tutorial. Some of the food gathering techniques used by the invertebrates and described in the section which discusses the range of living organisms and their different specialization. We'll also describe in our tutorial gas exchange, while the following 3 units will describe the main features of the circulatory system, like the digestive system, the system that contribute in a major way maintaining the homeostasis. Continue talking about the different system. We'll talk about the respiratory system exchange, and that's what we'll discuss in the next one. That the data I have uploaded as 34 videos today, and these 34 videos have been on the organic the organic part. We have been discussing about the biochemistry. In fact, we have talked about the systems, the human system. We have also talked about the human digestive system. We've compared and contrasted it with the system of a dog, with the system of a cow. We have also talked about the different aspects of digestive system. Very recently we have concluded it on the pancreas and liver, and we'll take another system, human system, tomorrow, and we'll discuss about respiratory system. So we'll talk about respiration and gas exchange. So we've got very interesting topic coming along. These interesting topic will be expressed in our video number 51. That's all for the day. Thank you very much for watching and listening.